Hi, good afternoon, Anna.
Hi, Jack.
How are you?
I'm ready.
Okay. Is your school bag blue?
Yes.
Where is it?
They are.
It's
Old.
where is it? It's on the chair.
It's on the chair.
Was it there yesterday?
No.
It wasn't there yesterday. When did you buy it?
It's in the 2024.
In 2024. Does she like it?
Yes.
Is your chair old or new?
New.
It's new.
It's
Okay.
new.
Does he like your chair?
Yes.
Did you use it yesterday?
Yes.
Is it small?
Yes.
Are your rulers long?
Yes.
Where are they?
They are red.
Where are they? In a pencil case? They're in a
In
bag?
the pencil case.
How many rulers have you got?
I have 5 rulers.
Okay. Do you like them?
Yes, I like.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
It's your turn. It's your...
It's your school bag full.
Yes, it is. It's food.
Do you like them?
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Yes. Yes, I do.
What color are they?
What color is it?
What color is it?
It's blue. It's your...
Is your chair? Is your rulers?
Oh, it's your ruler.
Is your ruler old or new?
It's old. Where is it?
Where is it?
It's next to the eraser. When did you buy it? When did you
buy
buy it?
it?
I bought it in 2024.
Are your
Erasers.
Are your erasers small?
Yes, they are.
Do you like them?
Yes, I do. I love them. I like them very much.
What color are they?
Are they?
Are they?
Some are blue, some are red.
Where are they?
They're in my pencil parcel. They're in my pencil case. Are you ready for the jam practice? Just a minute. You're going to speak 6 sentences in English. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go.
This is my family. This is my mom. She's beautiful and sing. She dress
Her dress.
her dress pink.
Her dress is.
Her dress is pink.
2 more sentences.
She likes run.
She likes running.
She likes running. This is my grandma.
Okay. Perfect. Come on. High five. Yeah.